Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to view special apps on your device. So let's get started. Now see, this is the inbox of your settings, and scroll down below and you will see the option of apps. So tap on it. Now again scroll down and you can see the option of special app access, so tap on it. Now here you can see your special apps like this. You can even change media management, notification, reply and control and everything. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.